If you've driven along County Road 100 South in recent days, you've probably noticed a lot of activity at Pine Tree Elementary. That's because we're in the process of a renovation and expansion project that will ultimately allow us to serve a greater number of students and provide much-needed updates to one of Avon's oldest elementary schools. Pine Tree opened in 1990 as the first of Avon's new elementary schools, joining Avon's original elementaries, upper and lower elementary schools, now Maple and White Oak. At that time, student enrollment in Avon schools had just surpassed 3,000 students. Now, 33 years later, our community has grown and educational needs have changed. The time has come to renovate the school's aging finishes, systems, and furnishings. Not only that, Pine Tree's footprint must be expanded to better accommodate growing student enrollment. This exciting project will allow us to add classroom spaces to support an extra section of students at each grade level. 2 separate additions are underway on the southeast and northwest corners of the school. Expand the cafeteria into the space that is currently the music room. Relocate and improve the music room. Update paint, trim, lighting, and flooring to improve the environment in classrooms and common areas. Address aging systems. And expand the bus parking lot on the west side of the school to allow for improved traffic flow and increased capacity. All this is being done with no increase to Avon taxpayers and without the use of 2018 referendum funds. We're excited to see this project taking place and to know we're preparing this decades-old school for many additional decades of service to Avon students.